Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from How Logical. In this video, we will be showing you how to log in to your OkCupid account. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in okcupid.com and press enter. You will be taken into the official website of OkCupid. If you don't have an account, you can click on Join OkCupid and create your account from there. In order to sign in to your existing account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now you will be asked to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address and then enter your password. Now click on the Next button and you will be logged in to your OkCupid account. You can also log in with your phone number by clicking on Login with Phone. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.